Yep. So about to share some cakes. Hey guys, we got Mel about the cupcakes.
Whoa. See, that guy there coming, our daughter, his daughter going to school, but she's not around. He can get a package too, not true, man?
Of course, definitely.
Daddy, come pick up one package for your daughter. Just 10 minutes they have one going to school.
Mel cutting cake, guys. So you're doing cookies too? So you're doing cookies?
Like I can. You want some stuff? Okay. I'm going to get some more
Hey guys, so finishing the treat now, guys. I just gave away all the books from the Chukka Foundation, and I'm gonna get this video together, get it out so you guys can see it. So thank you guys for joining. Mel is walking around the area, and she's walking around some of the kids, just exploring away and doing our thing. So, Jamaican Shore Fishing, welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourselves. Yeah, guys, today was an epic day, epic adventurous day. Not my normal fishing adventure, but went out on a back to school treat, like back to school giveaway treat with Chukka Cove, Chukka Blue, Ocean Post. I'm sure you guys heard of them before. One of the outdoor activities, adventurous places in Jamaica that you can visit when you come here as a tourist. And ATV, horseback riding, water sports, zip lining, all that stuff, guys. All there, trust me. But there's a adjoining community to the property across the road. We actually went down there today, and I was kind of surprised because I was at work. And when we got there, I'm like, but wait a minute, this is where I go fishing all the time. I catch fish here every single time, and I never knew that was really the name of the community across. I heard of it in the area, but I never knew that was the particular community that they call Pumpkin Bottom. So we went this morning on the back to school treat giveaway. When I got there, and I was sitting there, I was like, damn, I should do a video on this. Well, I shouldn't. Why not? So anyways, I did a video for work and did some clips for myself, obviously, but I didn't really do much talking in it. So stay tuned, guys. This is like the longest intro I've ever done. Thank you guys for watching. I'm glad you enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, and big up to Chukka Cove. Big up to Matmar Investments. They do a back to school treat every single year, and this was a first timer for me, and I really enjoyed every single second of it, and these kids enjoyed it even more. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch ads, guys. Bless up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.